Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KREST network token. Ticker symbol is KREST. This token just got listed today on a central exchange, a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is part of a different network, Peaq. It looks like Peaq or Peq, however you want to pronounce it. The Peaq network. So their Twitter is up right here, so you guys can easily find this project here. Their Twitter is at PEAQ network. So PEAQ is the name of the other network that it's involved with. And you can find their document section at docs.peaq.network. Peq, I'm assuming it's pronounced that. So this token, the KREST token, just got listed today on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KREST, and then simply just buy the token. So KREST is Peq's canary network. So it's a network involved with another network, basically. The world's first and only economy of things simulation network. KREST is your home for socio-economic, technical, community, and governance innovation and experimentation within the Peq ecosystem. You can launch dApps, DPINs, and tools of the economy of things and assess their impact in a live environment on a public blockchain network without running the risk of causing real-world harm. So it says there are several examples of thriving canary networks within the .sama ecosystem. So if you ever heard of .sama before, maybe you'll know about these canary networks. Moon Rover is the canary network of Moonbeam, which means it is a testing ground for new features and upgrades before they are implemented on the main Moonbeam network. Similarly, Karura is the canary network of Akala, allowing for testing and experimentation of new functionality before deploying to the main Akala network. These canary networks help to ensure the stability and reliability of the main networks while also allowing for innovation and development of new features. So token allocation for the KREST token is 5% goes to early backers, 12.5% goes to funding activities, 20% goes to KSM Parachain, 10% Treasury Reserve, 22.5% adoption programs, 25% goes to community initiatives, 5% team, for a total supply of 400 million tokens. Now, they do have their Block Explorer listed on here, and this is on the Polkadot blockchain, it says here. And you can check that out on the Mexc Global announcement if you just check out Mexc Global's Twitter. Now they have their own Twitter, like I mentioned right here, at Peq Network on Twitter. They also have a Telegram at Peq Community, also a Discord, LinkedIn, tons of Medium articles. Their official webpage is krest.peaq peaq.network. So crest.peq.network is where you can find all of the information about the Crest network. They have different docs on there, all sorts of different information that you could check out on their webpage. Now, their white paper is mostly going to be about the Peq network itself. So if you just want to learn specifically about Crest, it's probably a good idea to just check out the Crest website there. So it says, build, launch, break, repeat, the world's first economy of things simulation network. So what is Crest? Crest is Peq's sister network. So you can call it a canary network or a sister network. It is the world's first and only simulation network for DePIN and the economy of things. Crest is your home for technical, socio-economic, community, and governance innovation. Launch dApps and decentralized physical infrastructure networks, that's what DePIN is short for, and assess their impact in a live environment on a public blockchain network without running the risk of causing any real harm. So Kusama offers the best environment in Web3 for socioeconomic experimentation. Now the Crest network and the Crest token offer the best environment for socioeconomic experimentation within the context of the economy of things and DePIN. So that is the difference between both of those. So rollout of smart contracts, tools, dApps, or anything else in real-world environment on a live network with real tokens and an active community. To do it fast, Crest is designed to enable you to go from an idea to a product swiftly. So you test it out. If it works, then you turn it into a real product. Also governance. So governance cycles on Crest will happen faster than on Peq, allowing you to build, test, and reiterate at speed. So governance concepts intended for Peq will also be tested on Crest first, allowing the community to get a real feel for it in advance. So it's got community initiatives and ideas that will be rolled out on Peq, but rolled out on Crest first. There's also going to be cross-chain messaging. So leverage cross-chain messaging, XCM, to enable the decentralized applications you build on Crest to be used by the community of tens of other blockchain networks running on the Kusama ecosystem. Also, there's going to be new features. So new products, new features, updates, interfaces intended for the real-world economy of things on Peq's network will be deployed on Crest first. So you get the idea. There's also machine simulations, technical innovation, all sorts of different things that you could check out. They're all on their webpage. They go over Peq versus Crest. What's the difference? So on Crest we test. It says live fast, die young mentality, lower barriers of entry, simulate any machine anywhere. And if you want to check out their socials, you can. They want to check out career section, all these different things. Go to crest.peq.network, and you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Crest network? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.